A single drop of honey contains more than 1 million bacteria. This incredible fact reveals the secret world of tiny creatures that live among us. From the tiniest microorganisms to the majestic monarch butterflies, nature is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As we explore the intricate web of life, we begin to understand the delicate balance that sustains our planet. Join me on a journey to the heart of evolution, where we'll delve into the fascinating stories of adaptation and survival. From the ancient forests to the frozen tundras, we'll discover the remarkable ways in which life has evolved to thrive in even the most extreme environments. In this documentary, we'll explore the mechanisms that drive evolution, from the genetic mutations that create new species to the complex interactions between predators and prey. We'll meet the scientists who are pushing the boundaries of our understanding of evolution, and we'll see firsthand the incredible diversity of life on Earth. But that's not the strangest part. The most fascinating discoveries are often the ones we least expect. Imagine a world where species are not just static entities, but dynamic and constantly changing beings, shaped by their environment and their interactions with other living things. This phenomenon occurs when the pressures of natural selection force species to adapt and evolve at an incredible pace. One of the most striking examples of rapid evolution is the peppered moth, whose population shifted from light to dark in response to the Industrial Revolution's darkening skies. The story of the peppered moth is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life, and it shows us that even in the face of catastrophic change, species can evolve and thrive. But how does evolution work? What are the mechanisms that drive this process, and how do they shape the diversity of life on Earth? The key to understanding evolution lies in the genetic code, which contains the instructions for the development and function of all living organisms. Genetic mutations can occur through various mechanisms, including errors during DNA replication, exposure to radiation, and viral infections. These mutations can result in the creation of new species, as seen in the case of the Galapagos finches, whose beak shapes have evolved to adapt to different food sources. The finch's story is a classic example of adaptive radiation, where a single species gives rise to multiple descendant species, each with unique characteristics. In the case of the finches, the environment plays a crucial role in shaping their evolution, with the availability of food resources driving the development of different beak shapes. But the finch's story is not unique. Similar patterns of evolution can be seen in other species, from the different subspecies of the African lion to the various species of the Hawaiian honeycreeper. Each of these examples demonstrates the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and it shows us that evolution is a continuous process that shapes the world around us. As we explore the natural world, we begin to appreciate the intricate web of relationships between species, and we see how evolution has shaped the complex ecosystems that sustain us. From the coral reefs to the rainforests, each ecosystem is a dynamic and constantly changing system, shaped by the interactions between species and their environment. One of the most striking examples of ecosystem dynamics is the case of the sea otter, whose role as a keystone species has a profound impact on the marine ecosystem. The sea otter's story shows us that even small changes in the balance of an ecosystem can have significant effects on the diversity of life within it. In the face of climate change, biodiversity loss, and other environmental challenges, understanding evolution is more important than ever. By exploring the mechanisms of evolution, we can gain insights into the complex relationships between species and their environment, and we can develop strategies to conserve and protect the natural world. This documentary has shown us the incredible diversity of life on Earth, and it has demonstrated the importance of evolution in shaping the world around us. As we continue to explore the natural world, we must remember the lessons of evolution and strive to preserve the incredible diversity of life that we see today. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join the conversation in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.